In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record screen in PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to capture part of your screen for a presentation, a walkthrough, or a quick demo, PowerPoint has a simple built-in tool that does the job without any extra software. Start by opening PowerPoint and heading to the slide where you want the recording to live. Think of this slide as the home base for your screen clip. So choose the exact spot in your deck where it makes the most sense. It's helpful to have any windows or apps you plan to show already open and arranged, so you can jump right into your demonstration once the recording starts. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where PowerPoint keeps most of its media tools. From there, select Screen Recording. When you do, PowerPoint dims and reveals a small control dock so you can set up your capture. You'll notice the interface gets out of the way to give you a clear view of what you're about to record. Click Select Area, then click and drag across your screen to choose the exact portion you want to capture. You'll see a bright outline framing the region. Everything inside that box will be recorded. Anything outside will not. Take a moment to line up the area so important menus or buttons aren't cut off. If you need a larger view, simply drag the edges of the selection to adjust it until it fits. When you're ready, click the Record button. You'll get a brief countdown, and then PowerPoint begins capturing what happens inside your selected area. Move at a steady pace, narrate clearly if you're speaking, and give your viewers a second to follow as you open menus or click buttons. Smooth, deliberate actions make the final clip easier to watch and understand. When you're finished, press Stop. PowerPoint instantly places the recording directly on the slide you chose at the beginning. It appears as a standard video object, so you can click to play it right there in the slide to confirm everything looks good. Because the clip is embedded, it travels with the presentation, which is great for sharing or presenting offline. If you need to keep your slides lean, consider the length of your recording to manage file size. That's all there is to it. By using the Insert tab, choosing Screen Recording, defining your area, recording your actions, and stopping when you're done, you can create clean, focused screen captures that enhance your presentation without leaving PowerPoint.